In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change font in Shopify Dawn theme. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin so you are on the main dashboard for your store. From here, you will open the area where your theme is managed. In the left-hand navigation, go to Online Store, then choose Themes. This page shows the theme that is currently published along with any other themes you may have in your library. Find the Dawn theme you want to edit, then click Customize. This opens the theme editor in a new view, where you can preview your store and adjust settings. Give the editor a moment to load fully so the controls and preview are responsive. Next, look to the left sidebar in the theme editor. You will see several icons and menus. Click the gear icon, which is the theme settings area. This is where Dawn keeps global design controls, including your fonts, colors, and other site-wide styling options. Inside theme settings, select Typography. Once you are in Typography, you will see the font settings used across your store. These usually include a primary or body font for general text and a heading font for titles and larger emphasis text. Choose the one you want to change first. Next to the font you want to swap, click Change. A font picker will appear, allowing you to browse and select a different font. As you choose a new font, pay attention to the preview on the right side of the editor. This helps you confirm that the new font is readable, matches your brand, and looks good in headings and smaller text. After selecting your font, adjust the font size scale slider. This setting changes the overall text size across your site. Move the slider slowly and watch the preview update so you can find a comfortable balance between style and readability. A slightly larger scale can improve accessibility, while a smaller scale can fit more content on the screen. When you are satisfied with the font and the sizing, click Save. Always save before leaving the editor so your changes are applied to the live theme, and that is all there is to it.